Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to stake PEPE coin and basically earn money with it. So I will show you a few different ways. The first one would be on Binance, and you want to click earn. Once you are here on earn, you will see here symbol earn, crypto rewards, and you will see here even PEPE coin. So you want to click on this one. From here, you will go ahead, and as you can see, there is an earn rewards on principal protected products. And you can go ahead and click subscribe. This is the flexible, the amount you want to go ahead and use. This is how much is available. After that, you will earn a daily real-time reward and daily bonus. That's how much. Then you have click I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and you can click confirm. Now, another way would be to go to your Trust wallet. Now, on your Trust wallet, you want to go ahead and go to Discover. From here, you want to search for PEPE Stake. Now, on PEPE Stake, you can actually go ahead and click Stake Now. This is decentralized for passive income. You can connect here a wallet. PEPE Stake has zero transfer or dev fees. You can go ahead and look through this. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.